The MT3608 is a step-up boost converter module that allows you to increase a lower input voltage to a higher output voltage. It is commonly used in electronics projects where a higher voltage is required, such as powering LED strips, motors, or other components. The MT3608 operates by converting the input voltage to a higher voltage using a switching regulator circuit. It uses a control loop to regulate the output voltage and provide a stable power supply. The module typically has an adjustable output voltage range, allowing you to set the desired output voltage using a potentiometer or by modifying the circuit components. One of the key features of the MT3608 is its high efficiency. It incorporates a synchronous rectification design, which reduces power loss and improves overall efficiency. This makes it a suitable choice for battery-powered devices or applications where energy efficiency is important. The module also includes built-in protection features such as overcurrent protection, thermal shutdown, and over-temperature protection. These protections help prevent damage to the module and connected components in case of any faults or excessive heat. Overall, the MT3608 is a versatile and reliable step-up converter module that is widely used in various electronics projects. It provides a convenient way to boost a lower voltage source to a higher voltage level, making it suitable for a wide range of applications.